Hello friends, welcome to ElectroPixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
Welcome friends. This is a 32-inch Mytron LED TV. In this TV, the fault is backlight okay but no picture. As usual, while tapping on the TV display, you can see the backlight flashing. This means the fault is in the panel section, a display-related fault. Here, this is the motherboard, and this is the panel scaler board. This TV comes with a single COF panel with an SM4186 Dc to Dc IC. It is a Samsung panel. Due to internal shorting in the gate signals inside the glass panel, the panel DC to DC IC goes into protection mode. Because of this internal shorting, it does not generate any basic panel voltages. While checking with the multimeter, we can observe the following results. 12-volt input VCC is okay, 3.3 volts and 1.8 volts are okay. Other than this, VGH, VGL, avdd, etc. are missing. Here, we repair this panel using a temporary solution, only if the shorting is on any one side of the panel. If both sides' gate signals are shorted, then the panel is not reparable. Here, we are going to implement the panel cutting method. These are the gate signals from the right side, and these are the gate signals from the left side, respectively. So, first, we are going to cut down the right side gate signal tracks. After that, if the picture comes, then do nothing. If the picture does not come, then rejoin the cut tracks completely, and cut down the left side gate signals. If both sides are shorted, then repair is not possible. But remember one thing, this is only a temporary solution. The permanent solution is panel replacement, and we cannot predict how long the display will work using this method. It completely depends on user luck. Finally, here we cut down the right side gate signals. Now, in this condition, you can see the picture has come, and the panel shorting is removed successfully. The DC to DC IC has started working normally again. Now, the panel short removal is completed. So, the work is done. That's it. Thank you for watching.